work down. Hold the work down.
No, I'm serious.
For Pete's Peppers, son, hold the work down. Now I'm here because you fudge chuckers decided to skip biology class. Now since you little juggernauts decided to be comedians and skip your biology class with the SAT coming up, I heard Mr. Yamanashi was in this class, so I took the liberty of teaching this lesson to you myself. So you know what we're going to have? How about you, DeShazer, do you know? Pop quiz! Now, Mr. DeShazer, for the pop quiz, I want you to go label E, L, G, N, and C. Go!
Which N, sir?
Excuse me? Yeah! Oh, wait, my bad. That's right. There you go. That's right. This right here, which inverts itself. See how it inverts itself up in here? That is called the endoplasmic reticulum. It's the E-N-D-O plasmic reticulum. That's what it is. See, this is studded with ribosomes. And ribosomes make what?
Proteins.
There you go. And see, these little things, these Jennifer Love Hewitts are like... Alright now, so away from the technical stuff. Our first scientist name, his name is Anton van Leeuwenhoek.
Is Leeuwenhoek, coach?
Oh, really? Really? Yamanashi, you want to correct me? Really? I'm sick of it! Because I'm sick of it! Now, I'll bring my friend in here to show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, I just broke the chalk. What? What of it? What of it?
I am Antoine van Leeuwenhoek. I'm 400 years old, I'm Dutch, and I looked through the first lens microscope and saw the first cell.
Alright, our next scientist up, his name is Robert Hooke. Say hello to my little friend.
I am Mr. Hook and...
Hey! Chop chop!
Oh, I apologize. I coined the word cell. And I stole it from...
Hey, yeah, you should explain why you called them cells. Yeah, there you go, champ.
I called them cells because they looked like little... like bars, like jail cells.
Alright, you juggernauts, give a warm round of applause for this man right here. There you go. Alright. Hey there, what's up everybody? My name is Benai Schleiden, and I was a scientist who said that all plants were composed of cells. Get at me.
I'm Theodore Schwann. All animals are composed of cells.
Alright, class, now on to my next part of this science lesson that you missed. We move on to the cell theory. 3 parts to the cell theory, okay? Number 1, all cells are composed from existing cells. Number 2, all organisms are composed of cells. You and me are composed of cells.
I disagree, Coach. I think
Son of a mother's... Son of a mother's lover. Yamanashi, I already told you I'm sick of it. I told you to shut your little cake hole, or I'm gonna set you on fire. It's gonna be like, I'm gonna jam the nozzle of paintball gun up your fudge shuttle and paint in the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel on the inside of your transverse and sigmoid colon. It's gonna be like David God colon. What?
Sorry, bro.
Did you just call me bro? Did you? Don't you ever call me bro again! Alright, Mr. Truax, this one's for you. See, this is what's really cool. This is what's really cool about the cell theory. It's that cells are the basic units of structure and function. See, I remember that because I make it my own. Alright, Mr. Truax, I was sorry, I love you. But now, we go to our next part of the cell. See, this is what we plants only have cell walls. It would be rigid. We'd be like this if we had a cell wall. We'd be like this. And that's what's really cool. So, this is what we like to call the brain. See, that's called the nucleus. And that's the nucleolus, which is like the brain of the nucleus. See, this is where nucleic acid is made, which is really cool. But here's the cell. This is an animal cell. Has an, what's it called? Cell membrane, which is selectively permeable, which means it deciphers which goes out and which stays in.
That's impossible.
And that's not impossible. Yeah, I got you, Drew. This right here is the nucleus, which is basically the brain of the cell. Has all the, what is it, nucleic acids. It contains all nucleic acids and DNA material and stuff like that, correct? And this is the nucleolus, which is like the brain of the nucleus, which is kind of weird. And so yeah, cell membrane, I talked about that. Centrosome. Jake, I'm bringing in Jake.
Alright, difference between not vacuole,
Centrosome.
a eukaryote and a prokaryote.
Oh, dude, centrosome.
Where's centrosome? Centrosome lets the cell move throughout and guides it and knows what's around it. Prokaryote is when there's no nucleus. Eukaryote is when there is a nucleus.
Prokaryote. I actually know it's a eukaryote.
That's a eukaryote because there's a nucleus. Prokaryote is when there's no nucleus.
Eukaryote.